this video is kind of a get ready with me kind of video. This is the look I created just now, and if you can see, this is totally a natural look and your skin is literally glowing. It's like a glowy skin makeup look. So if you want to know further about this look I created and how I created the products I use, then please keep on watching. Also, for people who do not know me and are watching my video for the very first time, hi there, I'm Upasna and I'm just starting off my YouTube journey. So if you really like my videos, do like my videos, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more. Okay guys, so let's jump right in. Hey guys, so I just washed my face and let's get on with it. The first step is obviously toner. So this is from the Plum range. This is the E-Luminance toner right here. So let's get started. Okay, so just swipe it across my face, my lips as well, and my neck. How can I forget? Okay, so I just washed my face and look at the dirt. Okay, so after this, the next step is not serum. For me, when I use like the foundation and all, I directly go on to my moisturizer. So I'll just wait for this toner to get absorbed. Now for the, I have a technique which I wanted to show you all and I wanted to share with you all. So I use this Pond's Super Light Gel, and with that I use any essential oil, whatever suits your skin. I use from the Wow range. This is the Bergamot range. This is the oil and this smells divine, guys. I really like it. I recently purchased this and it really works for me. So I'll just take one scoop right here, this much, on my palm, and just close the lid. And now I'll be taking this oil and I'll take just one drop. So just a drop. Just one drop because it's essential oil, so you don't want to mess with it. So I'll just mix it here, right here I'm mixing. After mixing, I'll just massage it and then pat on my face. Avoid the eye area because for that we have an eye cream. This, what happens is that when you apply any moisturizer with any essential oil, it enables you to blend your foundation quite easily on your skin. It really helps. So I'll just blend it. Okay, I just lowered down my tripod a bit because it was not visible. I was like either. So I have just blended in the moisturizer. As you can see, I have quite a few breakouts right here, so I wanted to be covered. So the moisturizer is blended. Now we go to the eye cream. Now, as you all have seen in my Nykaa haul video, I got this particular product from Dot & Key. This is their eye cream. So it does not do anything, but it does moisturize. So moisturizing is really important. So for this look especially, we need moisturization. Before applying foundation, always moisturize your face because that's really important. I'll just moisturize it. Go very gentle on your eye area. As you can see, I do have dark circles, but chalega. So for that I will be using my concealer. So yeah, it's completely absorbed. Now we'll jump right into the primer. I'm using the Lakme Blur Perfect Primer right here. So this primer I'll just use it on my nose area because I have a lot of pores here and blackheads and all that. So I'll be using that. I'll just take a tiny bit on my hand. This much will do because I'm really not a makeup person, but then at times when I have to do it, I do very gently so that nobody understands that I have applied makeup. So I'll just let it sit here as well as here. I have a lot of pores here. So this is what it does. I'll just come forward and yeah. So after this I'm just going to find my concealer. Okay, I got it. So this is my concealer that I'm going to use. I use it before my foundation because it tends to set, my eyes need time to set because it tends to crease otherwise. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation concealer, and this is the shade Light 10 Light. So I use this particular thing right here, and I have used it quite a lot. As you can see, पूरा खत्म हो गया यहाँ से यहाँ तक. So I'll just go on, just 1 2 1 2, a bit of here, a bit of here, and here. So I don't know, I think I'll go on with my beauty blender. This is from Nykaa. Excuse me. So we need to blend it really fast. Be very gentle on your eye area. At times, you know, I use a makeup brush, but then today I thought, why not try with the beauty blender? Because makeup brush, what happens, it does the job really fast. So I'm just going, I'll just go on here as well. I'll just, don't drag it, just blend it like this. You need to be really fast. It's like an exercise also. I'll just take my mirror and check. So yeah, it's completely set, man. Looks really good. I don't know why I started coughing. Don't worry, I don't have corona. By the way, again the government will announce lockdown, and that really sucks. So I'll just move it right here. So this is what like my eye area looks like right now, and as you can like go backward and see my eye area that time, so it really has covered my dark circles to a great extent. Now I will go on with my foundation. So this is the one I recently bought. This is like from Sugar Drop the Base Serum Foundation, because I was really, you know, excited to try Sugar products because I have never tried them before. This is my first buy. So if you want to get a review about this particular product right here, I will do it very soon. So I you know, bought it from their website. So there was an option that you give any brand ka shade. So I gave MAC NC27, which is my shade, or sometimes NC25. So I got 17, that is RAF. So this is the shade, and I'm just taking a few drops. Okay, I just need one drop, I guess. Just see, that's all you need to cover your face. So this is what I have taken. Now I have a ninja technique here. I always call it a ninja technique. So I mix a bit of highlighter. This is from the Maybelline Master Strobing Cream. So this is the shade Pink. I'll just take a drop, just a drop, else it will be like going overboard. So I never like going overboard. So I'll just mix it right here, mixing it with my hand, just blending it. Yeah, it's all good. I'll just try swipe it across. Now this looks like my perfect shade only, I guess. What do you guys think? This is my perfect shade or not? Because I never get my perfect shade. That's really sad. एंड अभी मुझे दुकान में जाके नहीं खरीदना भाई बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना. I'll just take it here, here, here. How can I forget my nose area? Yeah. So I'm just going to go as fast as I can and blend it all. Just take this mirror to see. I guess this is my shade, right? What do you guys think? It looks natural only. Does it look brighter also? Neck mein I'll go with a brush, but for face I'm doing all the beauty sponge thing. For now I'm going to blend it with the beauty blender, and last me I'll go on with my brush. Now I'll take my brush. Get a brush. Okay. So I'll just, this is the fastest way possible to blend your foundation. So I'll just do it. Alright guys, it looks really good. Like just look at the coverage right here. It's not about the coverage, it looks so natural, and look at the glow as you can see because of the highlighter. But then it did not cover my eeny meeny miny mo, whatever, the pimples. I don't know why I'm recently breaking out. Probably because of the weather. I can't tolerate extreme summers and all, and extreme humidity. And Calcutta is all about humidity. So that is what I'll just blend it. Okay guys, what do you think? This looks so good. Okay, so I have done this and I'm really happy. So my base looks all phenomenal, I would say. So I'll just take the sugar. Again, I got this particular product with the foundation, and this is their banana powder right here. So I'll just use it. This is the first time I'm going to use it. So it comes with this. I'm just going to just look kitna bada hai ye. Okay, I've taken the product in this sponge. Now I'm going to take it with my brush under my eye. Here. And I'll just take a bit more here. I'm going really light with all of this, and while this thing sets here, we will go on with the blush. So for blush and all, I use this particular palette here from Maybelline. This is the Master Contour palette. It has contour, blush, highlight. So it's really student friendly, because you need not invest in 3 different products. You get everything in one palette right here. So we are going to go. I don't usually contour my face because utna I'm not doing. Okay. So I'm going with the blush. I'll just dust off the excess like this. Smile, a fake smile. I'm going to drag it here so it looks really natural. I'm all about natural. Like look, it looks really natural. So I'm just coming a bit forward so that you can see everything. I apply a bit on my nose also, because I tend to look all natural. I'm all for natural things. So yeah, bit here. I'll just blend this पीछे. Yeah, a bit of blush here. Yeah, so this is what my face looks like. Now I'll just dust off the excess powder. Just look at the particular thing right here. It looks really natural, and it also works for all you girls out there who always want to go for a natural look. Like, I am a kind of person who does not like bold looks, or like a look that makes you that makes others think that ये तो मेकअप की दुकान है. No भाई, I'm like very natural, so nobody understands also, and it makes me feel good. Natural things are all I need. By the way, I'm applying a bit of highlighter here, right here. As you can see, I never go overboard, never. So I apply a bit of highlighter here. Here. By the way, the weather sucks. You know, it's really messy. Now for eyes, I will just curl my lashes with this eyelash curler I got from Vega. This is the eyelash curler. This is really cheap and affordable. It's around 100, below 100 I guess. So I'll just look up, curl my lashes. Be really careful, look at it. Like, it instantly lifts your eyes. So after that we are going for kajal. Now for kajal I need the mirror. I can't just look at the camera and do it, because I'm really not a pro. I always apply kajal on top of my eyes like this, and I always go on like this. So this is what I do. I never go under eye, because that makes me look really pale. I don't know why. So I'm just going to go in like this. It lifts my eyes. If you can see, it makes my eyes look a bit brighter. So this is what I do. I know it looks good. So after this we are going to go for mascara. This is from the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I got it free when I got a mask. Like, there was one offer, you buy a mask, you get mascara for free. So I got it. What's the big deal? Anyway, another pro tip, you have to use your mascara within 7 months of your purchase. After that, if you use it on your eyes, which is a very delicate area, it won't be good. You'll get infections kind of. And I really hate when I record, you know, calls aate rahe and everything. So abhi to call aa raha hai, but I'll not pick up. I'll just do my video. Okay. Look up and wiggle. Look up and wiggle. So I'll just check here. Okay. I think मैंने कुछ गड़बड़ कर लिया है. Where is it? कभी-कभी I make गड़बड़. Yeah. So it's all done. Wow, man, it really looks good. It doesn't look like I have applied something, but look at my lashes, like here. So it really looks good. I'll apply a bit of mascara on my lower lash line. Just come forward. Just look at it. It instantly lengthens your lashes. So this is what it looks like. And last but not the least, the king of this entire makeup look, or I would say the queen, So that is the lipstick, and I'm going to use the Lakme 925. The shade is Brick Bloom. It's really famous, and let's get in with it. Look at the shade, guys. Alrighty, so we are done. So this is how I created this look. And also, guys, a pro tip: if you want to, apply some color right here, so you can just do like this. You can see the color is right here. Take it with the help of your hand and apply it here for a pop of color, like a natural and cool pop of color. Like, look at it, it looks really natural. So this is the look I just created, and it really looks natural. Nobody will tell you that you have worn, like, you have invested so much of time, but then you did not, actually you did not. And this is the look. This is the kind of basic look, my signature look. So this is what it is. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed this get ready with me kind of video. So if you really like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more. I'll see you in my next video.